Hi girls, welcome to Klever's monthly beauty tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to build a natural look with the September box. Let's get started. Apply the violet eyeshadow all over the eyelid. It gives you a subtle hint of color that enhances your eyes. Next, apply a thin line with the eyeliner gel, starting from the inner corner towards the outer corner. Find the mascara, apply it on the upper lash line. Wiggle the wand from the roots to the tips. This creates long, defined lashes that frame your eyes. Afterwards, style your brows upwards for a lifted look. Use the gel first to set them in place. Then use the brush to blend and shape for a natural finish. Finally, apply small amount of liquid blush on the cheekbones. Blend the blush gently by tipping on the cheeks. This will give you a soft, radiant flush. All set! Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you in the next box.